Hello, my name is Liam. I am your resource for this session. Today, I will walk you through on how to record and save taxes in Fynlo, making it readily available in your estimates or invoices. To start, on the left menu pane, click on Income and then choose Taxes. On the Tax section, click on New Tax located on the upper right corner of the screen. On the pop-up screen also labeled as New Tax Form, write down the tax name, set the tax rate, and then select Sales Tax under Tax Account. If applicable, you may add along some text descriptions for your own reference. If all fields are filled up, click on Save. This will route you to the previous screen with a pop-up note on the upper right corner of the screen, indicating a successful entry. Moving forward, when creating an invoice or even an estimate, you will then notice the saved tax rate under its drop-down, making invoicing easy and convenient. Thank you for completing this module. Feel free to reach us at any of these handles for further assistance. Fynlo, your partner in making your financial chaos into clarity.